Good morning, everyone. See if I can get out the door and find Toots. Oh. There you go. Good morning. Good morning. Well, somebody's got on their gas-powered leaf blower going. The instant I came outside, they turned it on. I just want to warn them, I didn't sleep good last night, and I'm having a morning over here, so. Well, of course, as soon as the blower stopped, the mower started. There's a couple, I think. Oh, well. I'm trying to decide if we're going to the gym or if I'm going to mow our lawn before the rain comes in tonight. I was over here picking up sweet gumballs and pulling weeds, although I haven't got to this part. I was up higher. So last night, the last video I filmed of the owl box had a data error, and I lost some really cool calling between them. It was after the blackbirds attacked them, and I'm saying blackbirds loosely because I don't know if it's a raven, a crow, a red-winged blackbird, I don't know. But I saw them take on the male, and I saw on video is the female darting back into the box. So yeah, kind of annoying about the blackbirds and the data corruption, but I did see them. They were fine, and I'll be back maybe tonight, but probably not because of the rainstorms. It's right when it's supposed to hit. Good morning, Gray. Hey, hey. How's my good girl? Hi. That's my good girl. Hi. Come here. Come here. Hi, baby girl. Good morning. Good morning. Don and I were out here last night around 10:30. Yeah. I heard a noise which was probably 2 tree trunk branches squeaking, rubbing side by side in the wind. Anyway, you can't appreciate it as much as we could last night with the flashlight, but the dogwood tree here and then over here, they're all in full bloom and they look really pretty. I guess, you know, Donnie, when we look at them coming in on the driveway or from the front porch, where the height difference is better for appreciating them. Right. Like as we come down the driveway toward the house, we're high. Yeah. And they're more at eye level. But that's here, right, where we're on the ground just looking up, it's a little harder to see. But they're up there and they're pretty. It looks really nice. Yeah, it is. They're looking great. Well, I'm so sorry that you're going to do taxes. We decided not to do the gym. I'm going to mow the lawn. I can't take it anymore. It looks bad all over. I'm just going to start away from the owl box where she gets used to the noise here in the backyard. And then if I see her leave, because she shouldn't leave during the day, I'll stop. Sure. When I get over there near her. But hopefully she's just in there asleep and she's not going to care. Grok did tell me that this was the right time of day to do activities, except for when they fledge, and then you just better stay away from the box because they'll come dive bomb you. But anyway. Yeah. All right, I've procrastinated. I'm having the Donnie procrastination, but it's going to be the first mow of the season. And I'm not going to do anything but plop the battery in and go. That's right. No hard cranking of no gas engine. Yeah.
It's a toss-up. Who's that having a rougher time? This one out here with all the pollen, or me in there with doing taxes? But it's time for her to take a little break here. I brought her some water. And so hopefully she'll let me dump the bag for her, and then she can have her water. And then she can finish up. Unfortunately, I won't be done with the taxes as quick as she's done with the yard.
You bring me some water?
I sure did, Sweet Pea. I was telling everybody, I don't know who has the tougher job, you out here or me doing the taxes.
Right, that's what I told Brandon, our FedEx guy. He delivered.
Oh, he did. I heard the beat.
Containers from Walmart that I ordered.
Way cool.
If you order storage bins from Walmart's in boxes of 10, you usually get one free.
Yeah.
So instead of paying for 10, I paid for 9.
Right.
Maybe a year or two.
A year or two. I think it'll last her a month or two. My girl, she's loves her storage containers. Anyway, it's
Coming
looking
along,
good.
it's
Yeah,
coming along okay.
yeah,
Yep.
and it's still, you know, it's still pretty out here. It's, I think this clouds thickening up is probably helping you not cook so much out here. I mean, there's still plenty of
I'm
sun.
not miserable except for having to wear the mask while I'm gulping in air pushing the mower.
Yeah, I could tell.
But I did go back for the mask because Donnie told me to wear it today, so he didn't have to hear me sneeze nonstop the rest of the night.
Well, even if it only keeps some of it down, I mean, it cuts it down to, you know, where you're just not, loading your lungs up with all that pollen.
Right. I'll still probably have a reaction, but
Yeah.
I did pull the rest of the strawberry plants along the front, the wild strawberry that was in with so that's ready for me to mow across the front there. I haven't seen the owls. I've been watching. I told Brandon about the owls.
Oh, that's cool.
He says every shelf, every package in his truck's filled with pollen. There's just nothing he can do.
Nothing you can do.
Yeah,
Makes sense.
Nothing he can do.
All right, well, let me empty your thing so you can get busy.
Well, I am done mowing, and look at the pollen on that mower. Don came out with a second water bottle.
Yeah.
I've drank both of them. It's like 14 ounces or 16 or something, my Life Factory bottle. And I got smart and decided to sit down for a minute before I walked to the house. And as soon as I sat down, there was my angel coming around the corner with my water and, ready to empty this thing. I told him to leave it out, though. I'm fixing to blow. We're supposed to still have storms. And it seems like the sun is cranking up enough to make the storms today. That was, what was going on. And I want to blow one more time the dust off the parking pad and stuff so we have less paste when it rains today. Because if we get like 1/10 of an inch, it'll suck out here. It'll just be pasty yellow crap everywhere. So anyway, anything I can do to reduce that would be goodness. This is going to be better than taxes, right?
Yeah, something like that.
I dug this one while I was waiting for Don to finish up. I really didn't want to interrupt him. He was making such good progress. Yeah. But I cleaned all the weeds out from that tree to here and then planted that osmanthus. We're going to put the quince over there. So we ended up with the viburnum here. The piece of quince we dug up didn't really have enough roots. I planted it in a bucket. I don't have a lot of hope for it. We tried cutting it off and leaving enough root with that was sticking up, and it just didn't work out this time. It's not a big deal. And I did plant the other osmanthus up there not too far from the glider. So that's kind of cool. You can kind of see the dogwoods. The light's not so harsh right now that you can't see them. So that's nice. And we've beat the rain. Johnny's getting rain in Charlotte, but we've beat it here with getting stuff in the ground before it hit. It's chicken wing night.